Hi guys, today we're gonna do something really cool. Look at this. Look at this stuff. See? Man. Look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff. It's gonna make a serious problem. Look over here. All this stuff.
Ah, brica, brica.
There's another guy right there. He's just doing some hoovering. All that stuff. Yeah, it's kind of easy. He's going down the stairs on the Hoover. Now let's get this party started. We're gonna make a new movie trailer. So we're just been setting up some movie guys. So these guys are here to set up the bathrooms. Got all these cameras. You don't actually see the cameras, they're down here. No, but they're actually up here, but they're down here. So this is what we're gonna do. As I got my phone cover, it doesn't actually fit in there because of the camera. Now let's look at the Mustangs FC. That's us playing football. See that? That's us playing. See, that's us. It's just the girls that playing. I'm the referee. So just gonna make the new episode of it. So I'm gonna switch you guys around. Make this proper easy. As you're gonna see these kind of stuff. Just be careful, we're gonna sneak into that bedroom. You see this? This is Muscar's bedroom. Look all around. Muscar's bedroom. Muscar's bedroom. He's another best football player. Now, let's get back. Another standard of set of blocks. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna see you later because I need to get moving. We're gonna get this movie straight in 2 minutes. So bye. Please subscribe, like or dislike. Please like or dislike. Because I pray to God that you should actually. Please. So bye.